Hello, Namaskar. This is also one of the questions sent to you for class 10 physics, chapter 12 electricity. The similar one I sent you by solving. Here is the question: how will you connect 3 resistors each 5 ohm to get 10 by 3 ohm resistance? Means you have to think there are 3 5 ohm resistor, 5 ohm, 5 ohm and 5 ohm. So how will you connect here? So if you connect all 5 ohm in series, then you will get 15 ohm. If you connect all 5 ohm in parallel, then you will get 5 ohm by 3, that is R equivalent is equal to R by N. And if you think that if you connect two 5 ohm resistor in series like this, 2 5 ohm resistor in series, 5 ohm, 5 ohm, and this combination is connected with another 5 ohm resistor in parallel, and here you connect battery and this battery is of 10 volt. Now you will get the answer. So 5 ohm in series means 10 ohm, and 10 ohm and 5 ohm in parallel means 10 into 5 upon 10 plus 5, that is 50 upon 15, that is 5 10 ja and 5 3 ja, that is 10 upon 3 ohm. Now you will get the result. So I think you understood this one. So you can also solve here. R equivalent is equal to 10 multiply 5 upon 10 plus 5, 10 plus 5, and this will be 50 upon 15 means 10 upon 3, and you will write answer in ohm, 10 upon 3 ohm. And this is the circuit diagram. And now next part of this one, if 10 volt battery is connected across this circuit, then find the current drawn by the battery. So now current I, here you can mention current I is equal to total voltage upon total resistance. Total voltage is 10 volt and total resistance is 10 upon 3, 10 upon 3, and you will get your answer will be 3 ampere, 3 ampere. So this is about how to think to get the required answer or result. So read the question once or twice and think how can you connect these resistors to get 10 by 3. So here is the solution. Thank you so much. Thank you.